Are you trying to ditch seed oils in your life? Perfect, because they're terrible for you. This should only be for cake mix. You know what's good for you? This is 100% organic avocado oil. It's a total game changer with cooking. It tastes so good. It fries up to high temperatures, and it's great in salad dressings too. I'll show you what it looks like. It's very high end. It is kind of a green color because avocados are green, so it's natural. So here's what it looks like. You just use it 1-for-1 in any recipe, and it tastes delicious and is so much healthier for you than this gross stuff. But it's great for too, putting some Italian seasoning and dipping some bread in and just eating it. So tasty. Also great on tacos and just anything you would use oil in. I know some people also make mayonnaise out of it, and it's absolutely fantastic. And then you don't have seed oils in your mayonnaise. As a health coach, I definitely recommend this stuff instead of this stuff. It says saute, grill, bake, roast, and fry. You can do anything with this oil. Take the first easy step in being healthier today and grab this.